For my new Oxilam LEDs for my 96 Oldsmobile Cutlass. Pretty solid. It's all made out of aluminum. Little bitty fan in there. Okay, here is the before picture. And that's the brakes. I do give you gloves, but man, I don't think those are gonna fit me. So, gotta remove the grill, feed these bolts. Side marker light to get to the actual light. Wasn't too bad to pull out. There's a comparison. The halogen versus the LED. Installation is pretty straightforward. They are pretty tight in there. Nice, good fit. Worked out pretty good. There's a comparison to the old to the left. To the right, there is the LED. I will say these are very bright. Going to the installation of the second light now. Bringing it around, turning it, making sure everything is good to go. There's an old one, new one going in. I will say one thing, the fans are quiet on these. Okay guys, these are insane. Brights, dims. And it's not even hardly dark out yet. Dims, brights. I will say that I'm actually quite impressed with the low dim brightness. Right there's your lows. They are super bright. Probably don't even need to use the dims. But I will say these lights are pretty good. Hopefully they last a long time. I think they claim 50,000 hours. Click the link and you can get 15% off your first order. So if you like them, click the link below for a discount code and get yourself set up with them. Thanks for watching.